Hi there, I'm Alex with Terry Hendricks Ford in Archville, Ohio, and this is our 2018 F250 regular cab truck. So I'm just going to take a little walk around video here for you, kind of let you see overall condition of the truck and everything before you make the drive out. Tires on it, head-wise, body-wise, the truck looks good. Only one thing I'll point out on the other side, which we're planning on taking care of. Interior wise, clean, non-smoker. A few little scuffs there in the door and the handle that you can see. Everything else I thought looked good. Has the vinyl floor in it. A few little scuffs right down there as well. Thing on the truck, which we're going to get taken care of, is a little bit of damage right there. Any other questions? Please let me know. Thanks.